What's going on there, guys? Enzo here, coming at you with a quick little unboxing of my buddy's new motor that he got on Absolute Hobbies. Motor that I recommended for him to get, and he gave it to me to do the unboxing video. He said that was cool for him. He picked up a brand new OS Speed B2102 low profile. So I recommended he get this motor. He's new to Nitro, and I told him that going OS wouldn't be a bad idea, so he picked up this motor. Me personally, I have the B2102 Testman motor, so he is getting the, well, he got the 2102. So let's go ahead and take it out of the box, or open up the box and show you guys what you get. Here we go. Alright, so once you take the OS covering sleeve off, and we go ahead and pop this open, there we go. Comes in the famous old OS packaging. First off, you get some paperwork. Looks like you get your operating manual and some famous old OS stickers. Very simple, straightforward manual. Talks to you a little bit about the break-in procedure and the way OS suggests to run in the motor, stuff like that. And then you have your famous old OS bubbling wrap. There it is. So right off the rip, let's see. You got your dust seals for working on the motor in the rear exhaust gasket. Go ahead and leave that to the side. You get your other Venturi. This is a 6.5. Motor comes with a 6 on it. And then lastly, you get your P3 plug. Engine comes with an OS P3, which right there. And lastly, the engine. So let's go ahead and take that out. So there it is. Famous old ceramic wrap. Let's go ahead and take it out of the ceramic wrap that it comes in, and we'll show you the new engine. All right, here it is, the OS Speed B2102. This thing is awesome. Looks super nice. The build is super nice. Just everything's so well put together on this motor, and as was the Testman motor that I have in my MP10. The build quality on this motor is incredible. Right off the rip, it's a little bit oily. They put a little bit of that packaging oil in the engine after they're done assembling it, so it doesn't rust, obviously, from sitting on the shelf, depending how long it sits. The glow plug doesn't come installed. Right off the rip, has the low profile OS head. It being black, it's a little hard to see. There we go. Low profile head. My engine, the Testman motor, comes with the 21J carb, and this comes with the C carb, I believe. Yep, 22C. So the 22C carb, supposedly, off of what I was told and what I read when I researched the motor, that the new 22C carburetor is more enhanced for fuel mileage, a little bit smoother bottom delivery, so just all around a smoother carb for the engine. Whereas the Testman motor that I have, the internal porting is more to match the 2101 that he used to win the world. So the mid-range is a little bit more aggressive on that one, where the new 2102 is a new all-around porting. Still a 3-port, still the famous 42,000 max RPM off the 3 ports. Still going to have the crazy top end that OSs have, just now refined. According to what I read, again, the new 2102 is just all-around smoother. So, great engine for buggy, and I've even heard of some guys that have even tried it in truck. So with the side of the casing, some engines, depending the motor mount, it gets really close to the drive shaft, so it's really cool to see that OS gives you the back ground down a little bit just to clear it, depending what car it goes in. So that's nice that they pay attention to those details. But yeah, this is the new 2102, and they just recently dropped a 2103, so it will be definitely will be a good motor to have this year, and then next year I'm sure my buddy's going to get the new 2103. So yeah, this was just a quick little unboxing video. Wanted to show you guys what you all get. Again, your gaskets and dust seals. You get your P3 plug, and obviously your 6.5 mil Venturi, being that the engine comes with a 6 on it as is. So again, thanks everyone for watching. Just wanted to show you guys the new OS Speed motor that my buddy got. And yeah, thanks everyone for watching, and we will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.